Masinde mag Wang dede apeini mopogore opogore pacho ka oseduoko piny kwan masiche mag apaya. Kaduol mochung' ne apaya NTSA yango ni okang'no kaluwore kod lipot oseduoko piny kwan mosendiki mag masire seche ma derepe bedo akicha. Director duol mag NTSA Andrew Kiplagat wacho ni Wang dede go osekonyo duoko piny kwan masiche gi kwan atamalo 50 ka giketo Wang dede mathoth e wang apeini mapimo ng'we nyamburko. Oleo ni wang apaya ma Nairobi Nakuru osebedo kar masiche mathoth ka gimedo Wang dede mag ng'wech maigeno ni biro konyo e duoko piny kwan lipode mag masira.
Very important. Wanatembea kwa utaratibu.
And you survive the injuries and
kusaidia wagonjwa na kusaidia.
Apart from the Mai road, this is the main road that goes to the western area, and also not western area all the way to Uganda, and not only Uganda, all the way to the Congo. So given the amount of vehicles that travel here, it's likely that because of that capacity and our road is not very big, you can see it's not a two-lane, likely that can be one of the reasons.
It was given that we had over 4,000 last year. I may not cite the exact figures, but overall it was a decrease from the previous year. So we saw some decrease in the numbers. Of course, this is because of the many activities that the government through NTSA is doing, and one close by here is the cameras. I've been interacting with people here and they're saying they've seen change, that with these cameras on the road, people are behaving differently, drivers are behaving differently, and this gives us ideas of what we need going forward, because to reduce accidents by 50%, we would need to have such strategies that are effective and showing impact.
Ringre ng'at achiel kuom jadek mane osenyore bugo mar mule kar